coaching thought of the day. This may or may not be my current reality today. We might be getting real. So I absolutely believe it is the job of the instructional coach to sometimes be a go-between for administration and what they are requiring or asking of teachers and the teachers themselves. If you are in a situation where an administrator is requesting you to do work with teachers that maybe is not the appropriate work, or maybe you don't realize it initially, but as you get into the work with teachers, you realize that it's not the appropriate work, I really feel like it's the coach's responsibility to go back to the administrator and say, hey, look, this isn't going to work because X, Y, and Z. Here's what maybe we could do instead. Hopefully, you have administrators that you work with who will listen and understand that and be supportive. Because above all, I just really think that instructional coaches are the biggest fans and supporters and encouragers of teachers, and it's just our job to advocate for them and speak up for them. I realized I should add, I do work with the I just want to be clear about that. I'm very fortunate, and I know that.